right there. That one right there. Alright guys, stay tuned. I took the weather stripping around there so some degreaser can soak in between the creases. So by the time I'm done taking this out, I'm almost done. It gives the degreaser time to sit in there and work through all that nasty dirt and gunk and stuff. I just went to Home Depot to pick up some high temperature paint for some metal parts in the engine bay. I want to sand all that down at least and get it sprayed today because I work tomorrow, so I'm kind of on a time schedule. Plus it's not raining right now, which is cool. It's cold, but let's see the clouds. It's dry now, so which is good. I'm gonna try to get this done. So I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, so I got this other mirror taken off. Got to wet sand all these, tape the wiring off and stuff like that so no water gets in it. Yeah, wet sand, I'm gonna spray them. As well as the battery cover and some other parts on top of the hood right there. Not the hood, it's the roof. Cleaned, alcohol down, wet sanded, 1500 grit sandpaper. About to spray these before the rain starts pouring in. Okay, I got these sprayed already. These are for the guards for the headlights. I'm about to spray the windshield wipers and then the side mirrors. I have all of the other parts I'm storing in here just in case it starts to rain. That drying. Don't judge me, I didn't feel like taking it out. This is just temporary to get the engine bay looking a little cleaner. I disconnected the horn, unscrewed it so I can get under here and clean this crap out. This is what the vents look like. Back installed. Look really good. I haven't popped that one in yet because like I said, I'm waiting for that to dry. Yeah, it's coming along. So I have a lot left to do. When it gets sunny outside, I'm gonna take the car out and then put tarp or some type of plastic. I have thick plastic right there. I'll wrap it over the entire engine bay and then that way I can spray it with the hose, wash it down, degrease it and whatever. Let that air dry and then see if there's an undercarriage spray for this. I know there is. I've seen it done before, so it's looking good. Alright, so this is what I did today. Took off the weather stripping. I took these off, repainted them. This too. Look at the difference. It still needs a lot more cleaning, but looks good for now. I resprayed this, that, this, these. I'm about to zip tie them. I resprayed that over there. That one. Still waiting for the side mirrors to dry. I resprayed my battery casing that goes over here. Screws go for my horn. This is the side mirrors. They're drying right now. But yeah, this is the horn. Clip goes right here. But those 3 screws screw this horn down and I push it down that way. But yeah, this looks really good so far. I cleaned all this out. I have to wait till it gets hot outside to clean the rest of this because I'm exhausted and it's supposed to rain soon, so I gotta get inside and take a shower. This looks so cute. Oh, then I have to put the weather stripping back on, which is right there. That goes all around this little clamp right there. Alright guys, I'm exhausted. Been working on this all day. Might not seem like I did a lot of work, but I did. As you know before, this was all nasty. Buy some black zip ties to zip some of the stuff up, like right there. I resprayed the covers for the headlights. Sanded this down some more with a wire brush. I repainted some of these parts right here, right there. Sanded that down. Cleaned the weather stripping off. Sanded and resprayed the grill vents for this, as well as the windshield wipers, side mirrors. I'm gonna have to wipe this off because I got some of my handprint on there. Trying to install them back. I had trouble putting these stupid clips in on the inside of the door. I'm not sure. I broke a part on that side, which is kind of frustrating because they're really easy to take out, but asshole to put back in. I'm gonna clean this part off once I lift the hood down. I'm gonna have it propped up like this so I can get this part wiped off. Yeah, but it looks really good so far. Oh, I forgot. The battery tray. I sprayed this with some high temperature paint. I need to put this in a little better. I'm not sure, guys. Does this go in front of the carpet or behind it? If you can comment down below and let me know, that would be nice. And I'm so irritated. I had this piece right here I took off and I dropped this stupid screw somewhere over here and I can't find it. Pretty sure it rolled under there somewhere, but I don't want to look for it. I had to back the car out. I'll do that though once I put everything back together because I want to make sure the car runs fine. And then I zip tied this side because this has HID lights on it and this part right here is kind of poking out. I don't know if you can see that. There's not much clearance, so that's as far as it's gonna go. I don't want it to overheat or something. Yeah, so I have to clean all this crap out. Oh, I got all in here, I cleaned in here today. All back in here, I clean underneath this. So I did a lot of work, guys. May not look like a lot, but it's a lot. Also scrape this off. There's this nasty gut crap on it. You see it? I still have a lot more to go. I started to grind some of that off. Yeah, it's coming together. Not bad for day 2. I have to work tomorrow, like I said, so it's gonna have to be put on hold for a couple days, sadly. Stay tuned. See you next video.